Now it's cold out there. It's 37 degrees in Lexington. At least we're above freezing, although the wind chill's down to 30. Downtown, the Big Blue Building in good shape, nothing doing, and we've got a southerly wind, 10 miles per hour, and we're starting off the weekend on a spectacular note. Yes, I know. It's cold this morning. In fact, we've got 20s. You're not just below freezing. You're down in the mid-20s. London, upper 20s in Monticello. You're in the mid-20s, and 27 way down in Harlan. So it is cold, but we've got a warm front north, and this is the frontal system that's going to impact us this weekend. Cold front still well back to the west. That'll get in here tomorrow night. So this warm front up over Ohio and Indiana, and this high off the east coast is just helping to pump in that nice milder air, thanks to that strong southerly wind that's going to pick up in intensity over the next 24 hours. So it's breezy today. It's mild. We're starting the weekend off right. I mean, we're going to have well above average highs and sunshine Friday. Good stuff. We just can't keep it going through the weekend. So there are the highs today. Upper 50s. Some folks may hit 60 degrees. Time of the year, we're nowhere near that. So we're way up there. This is the forecast for the wind gusts out of the south. And for today, you know, maybe 10, 15 mile per hour sustained winds, and then maybe closer to a 20 mile per hour gust or two into the evening. Overnight and into tomorrow morning, as that cold front approaches, though, the wind really starts to crank. So we're likely going to see some 30, near 40 mile per hour wind gusts starting Saturday morning and possibly through the day. And on top of that, we're going to throw some rain into the mix. So no snow as of yet. We've got a future track, keeps it mostly sunny today. It's going to be a beautiful day. And then tonight, as the wind picks up, you start to notice the cloud cover on the rise, and there's that first shot of moisture getting into around Louisville. So by early tomorrow morning, I think we'll stay dry most of the night, but by tomorrow morning, those showers will be tracking in, and then through the day, it just gets wetter. This is mid to late afternoon into the evening. The rain tracks east as the cold front pushes through. So by Sunday, just a few lingering showers, and it's not even all that heavy as far as the rainfall goes. A few tenths of an inch, upwards of a quarter to a half an inch on the high end as you head south. And the next week is the big buzz right now because it looks like that'll be our next significant Arctic outbreak. We're going to have a fairly robust ridge across the Pacific and into the western U.S. What that means is that sets us up for an eventual trough into the eastern United States, which means it's just a big, essentially cold dump. All that cold, frigid air up over Canada makes a move and drops down into the upper Midwest and eventually hits much of the eastern third of the United States. So that's our first wave. This is around Thursday, Friday of next week. And we may see another shot coming in a few days later. So we may have multiple rounds of some pretty frigid stuff coming our way. We just may throw some moisture into the mix. Yeah, we could see rain to snow toward the end of next week. All this out there toward the end of the 8th day. You'll see here in just a second. Mostly sunny, breezy, and warmer. Upper 50s today. A beautiful day. I've got shower chances in there for tonight, but it wouldn't be until early tomorrow morning. I think most of your overnight hours should be quiet. We'll only drop to the low to mid 40s and then make it back to the low 50s tomorrow. But pretty wet Saturday tracking our way. And by the end of your weekend, just a lingering shower or two Sunday. Monday, maybe a stray snow shower, a few around with highs only around freezing. So, yeah, it's cold. It's just not cold. By the end of the week, there's that ornery old groundhog poking his head out of the ground. We'll have to wait and see exactly what he prognosticates.
That's right.
But at least from my experience, it looks like we've got a pretty good shot at some fairly significant changes to your storm tracker forecast heading into that next weekend.
And Tom, don't be upset about the groundhog. You're still our top prognosticator,
No,
okay?